Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome in your online classes and your English class. Open you all of your fair copy. Today we will do fair work. For fair work you have to take your fair copy and take your pencil. Today we are going to do fair work of past continuous tense. So let's start. First you maintain your page, make second margin line, and then you will write here today's date and also write here page number. Then you will give heading of past continuous tense. Then you will write in neat and clean writing its definition. A verb would show that an action was in progress at some time in past. Put full stop. Then you will give heading helping verb. Its helping verbs are was. Was we will use with I, he, she, it and singular noun. Were we will use with you, they, we and plural noun. Its formation, first you will put here subject, then you will write helping verb, first form of the verb. With first form of the verb you will add ing and then you will put here object. Write here examples. Number 1. I was reading ORC book. Put full stop. Second example is they were writing a lesson. Put full stop. Number 3. We were drinking water. Put full stop. Number 4. John was going to London last month. Put full stop. Number 5. She were playing football. Put full stop. Student, I hope you understand your this fair work. So student, your today's homework is this. You have to write 10 sentences of past continuous tense. Send it to me in WhatsApp group. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.